Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Decent Wallet. So step 1, open the Uphold app and make sure that you are signed in or logged in. Step 2, tap withdraw from your XRP balance card. Step 3, select the crypto networks as the transfer method. Step 4, choose the XRP or Ripple network and enable the XRP trust line on the Decent side if required. Step 5, switch to your Decent app. Step 6, tap receive under XRP to copy your wallet address or show the QR code. Step 7, paste the XRP address into your Uphold withdrawal form. Step 8, enter the exact transfer amount and double-check the address. Step 9, tap Preview Withdrawal and confirm your transaction. Step 10, note the network fee and submit the transaction. Step 11, wait a few minutes because XRP usually transfers quickly. Step 12, check your Decent wallet's XRP balance to confirm the receipt. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.